In the fast-paced world of event management, staying ahead means adapting quickly to change. Blackthorn started out small, with just a handful of customers. But as our innovative, Salesforce-centric approach gained traction, our user base exploded. Today, over 300 organizations rely on our app to manage their events. Customers also found new ways to use our apps, which exploded the number of events being hosted every day. With that growth comes the need for a careful balance between ongoing innovation and consistent maintenance. The expansion of our user base and the addition of exciting new features made it clear that our architecture needed to evolve to better meet these increased demands. We knew we needed a solution, so our team got to work, analyzing, brainstorming, and innovating. Our original cache was built for a simpler time, with data points that had fewer relationships and a lower volume of events. But as our user base expanded and the complexity of events increased, the old cache became a bottleneck. The first step? Rethinking our cache. We reconstructed it from the ground up, implementing cutting-edge techniques to improve speed and reliability while minimizing the number of Salesforce API calls. We reimagined our cache, breaking down those complex relationships into smaller, more manageable chunks. The result? Data syncs more quickly and reliably between Salesforce and event pages, event capacity is more accurate, and pages load faster, ensuring a smoother, more reliable user experience. Our app now operates with the efficiency and agility needed to handle our customers' most demanding events. But that's not all.
As part of our commitment to scalability and reliability, we made the strategic decision to move processes off of Heroku and further invest in AWS.
We're also working on a persistent data layer, which will further future-proof our app for an even larger volume of events. As always, data outside of Salesforce will only reference event details and will not contain any personally identifiable information.
We created additional capacity checkpoints to prevent events and sessions from overselling, with even better overselling prevention to come.
With our next release, our app will be faster, more reliable, and ready to handle whatever the future holds. Because at Blackthorn, we believe that success isn't just about where you are, but where you're going.